Okay guys, welcome dito sa ating course na creating a WordPress.org website. Ito yung advanced na way on how to create a professional na website talaga. Hindi na tayo magamit ng WordPress.com. Ang gagamitin natin dito is yung website talaga, the name ng website nyo, which is yourname.com. For example, gawin natin na website guys. Turo ko sa iyo guys kung paano ba tayo gagawa ng website na professional looking. At the same time, yung sinabi ko like the previous guides dun sa beginners about sa WordPress na beginner, sinabi ko na medyo mahirap to. Pero actually, I found a way na para mas easier for us to understand, no? The easiest way possible for us to understand on how to really create a website without knowledge about without having those knowledge mag-create ka talaga ng, dapat marunong ka talaga magmawa ng code, or marunong ka talaga gumamit ng mga HTML. Again guys, hindi ko ituturo yan kasi wala din ako experience about that. So, ituturo ko lang sa inyo guys is yung natutunan ko when I was still working as a website or WordPress manager sa isang brand before. So, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba tayo gagawa ng website. And sa next video, I'll be highlighting dun sa mga lessons na ituturo for this course. And by the way guys, again, disclaimer lang guys, hindi ako web developer, hindi ako marunong mag-HTML, hindi ako marunong gumawa ng mga codes. Pero again, ang ituturo ko is all about how are you going to create a website na professional looking, at the same time acceptable siya, at the same time secure, and high quality na website, yung totoong website talaga. So anyway guys, sa next video, ituturo ko, i-highlight ko yung ano-ano ba yung mga skills o ano-ano ba yung mga lessons na matutunan natin to this course. Okay guys, so ito na yung topics natin, no? Things to discuss. So, ito yung part 2 sa ating WordPress series natin sa how to make a WordPress website. Ito yung mga topics na i-discuss natin. Number 1 is things we need. So ano ba yung mga things na kailangan natin? Things we need to understand. So ano ba yung mga bagay-bagay na we need to understand? And sa video na to, I'll be just sharing to you guys yung 3 easy steps to set up your website. 3 lang guys, again, 3 lang ito. Very easy lang, and I hope na madali din itong ma-catch up ninyo, okay? The next one is what is a domain name? I'll be explaining that one. Although na-explain na natin siya before, but I'll be explaining that one again. What is a hosting plan? Ano ba yung WordPress one-click install? Kasi may gagawin tayo guys na one-click lang para ma-install natin yung WordPress. And creating a WordPress website, WordPress basic optimization, WordPress plugin installation, jobs of a WordPress freelancer, kung ano ba yung mga jobs natin, and of course, yung pinaka-importante, yung rates of a WordPress freelancer, and kung saan ba tayo mag-a-apply ng jobs for WordPress. Okay? So, yan na natin expect for this video. Okay, so hello guys. Welcome sa ating next video. Itong video na to is okay lang. So, things we need. So, ano ba yung kailangan natin to start our own website or yung website ng client? So, ito guys, tatlo lang. Kailangan natin ng credit card, debit card, or PayPal account for the payment. So, ito na yung kailangan natin to set up sa ating sariling WordPress account. So, yan ang kailangan natin to start a WordPress na website. Credit card, debit card, and PayPal. Thank you. So today, we're going to talk about the things we need to understand. Ano ba yung kailangan natin i-understand kung paano tayo gagawa ng sarili nating website sa WordPress using a WordPress, okay? Ito yung guys, things we need to understand. Number 1 is kailangan talaga ng website ng domain name, no? Hindi gagana yung website kung wala kang domain name. Okay? Kung mabasahin natin dito according to Google, ano ba yung domain name? Ang domain name, again guys, na-explain ko rin to sa ating previous na guide. Pero I'm gonna be explaining this one again to you guys. Reading to you this one again. So, a domain name is an identification string that defines a realm of administrative autonomy, authority, and control within the internet. Now, domain names are used in various networking contexts and for application-specific naming and addressing purposes. So obviously, hindi natin maintindihan din to kasi medyo nosebleed ang explanation nito guys. Pero ito, ang domain name is ito yung name ng website ninyo. Ito yung pangalan ng website. Okay? So ano ba example ng mga website? Facebook.com. Yan ang domain name niya. Facebook. Yan ang pangalan ng website niya. YouTube.com. YouTube.com. Ang domain name niya is YouTube.com. Okay? May tinatawag din tayo iba na Lazada.ph. Okay, so Lazada.ph, yan ang domain name niya. Shopee, yan ang domain name niya. And meron din tayong makita na domain name na gumagamit ng .org, I think, yeah. I think may website na unicef.org or ano ba, di ba? Any charity na mga website, usually gumagamit sila ng .org. Meron din .net. And kung sa Philippines, kung gusto mo yung brand mo sa Philippines, pwede mong pangalan ng sarili mo, yourname.ph. Okay? So, yan ang domain name. Next is we need to understand yung website hosting service. Okay? Ano ba itong website hosting service? Ito according to Google, guys, okay? Or web hosting is a service that allows organization and individuals to post a website or a web page onto the internet. A web host or a web hosting service provider is a business that provides the technologies and services needed for the website or web page to be viewed in the internet. Websites are hosted, restored on a on special computers called servers. Right? Let's put it this way, okay? Ang website, okay, to make things easier and not complicated, okay? Let's put it this way. Ang domain name, ito yung bahay mo. Let's say, for example, try to imagine, yung domain name, bahay mo, may bubong, may door, may windows, may so it's a whole, yung domain name, it's a whole house. Ang website hosting service, ito yung tinatawag natin na land. To land or yung lupa na tatayuan ng bahay mo. Okay? Hindi tatayo ang bahay mo pag walang land, di ba? Wala siyang land. Website hosting service is basically works that way. Hindi gagana yung website or yung domain name mo pag wala kang website hosting service. Okay? Ito yun na-explanation you guys. Ang domain name is your house and the website hosting service is the land or yung lupa na tatayuan ng domain name mo. Okay? I hope you get that clear. The next one is, may 3 things lang tayo to understand, guys, okay? Itong WordPress one-click install. Dito na papasok yung wordpress.org, okay? Ano ba itong WordPress one-click install? One-click WordPress installation is an automated process that eliminates the manual steps in installing WordPress. Okay, guys, usually people would like to have access to WordPress or to make a website na parang easier for them to access now without, kahit na wala kang coding skills, you can make a WordPress website. So, ano bang ginawa nila? An explanation to related sa dalawa, hindi gagana tong domain name website hosting service kung wala kang WordPress na ka-install. Kasi yung WordPress is ito yung interior ng bahay mo. Dito ka magde-design, kung ano bang kulay ng website mo, kung ano bang gusto mo na klase, may swimming pool ba, or may ano bang life lightings na nakapalibot or ano bang design. So, basically, to make it easier for us to understand, these 3, domain name, website hosting service, and yung WordPress.org, is hindi siya magiging website kung hindi sila sabay-sabay mag-work. Okay? So, we need to understand that itong tatlong bagay, the only things that we need to understand to make a website running. So, ito lang yung tatlo, guys. Let's dive into making this a website. So, I hope you understand this section kasi it's really important. You need to understand that one kasi may mga client na, hey Jay, can you make a domain name? Hey Jay, can you recommend the hosting service? Jay, can you make a WordPress website? So, you need to understand that dapat mo malaman as a freelancer, dapat mo malaman yung tatlo na to. Hindi gagana ang website kung hindi mag-work together itong tatlong bagay. Domain name, website hosting service, and yung WordPress one-click install or yung WordPress.org. So, I hope marami kayo natutunan dito, guys. Yung mga 3 important things na we need to know about how to set up a WordPress website. Today, I'm going to talk about the 3 easy steps to set up your website. So, ito na yun, guys. Ano ba yung 3 easy steps to set up your website? Number 1 is you need to buy a domain name. Ito na yung sinasabi ko, guys, na kailangan natin ng debit card, credit card, or PayPal to buy a domain name. Bakit ba kailangan natin bibilihin yung domain name? Kasi kailangan natin bibilhin domain name para, like any other houses, kailangan mong bilhin ng bahay para maging sayo. Okay? Kailangan mo siyang bibilhin. So, do we need to buy a domain name? The next step to set up a website is we also need to buy a web hosting service. Of course, like sa explanation natin, yung bahay at saka yung lupa, house and lot, kailangan bilhin din natin yung lupa para ma-prove natin sa lahat ng tao na this house is kapangalan talaga sa atin. So, web hosting is yung land. Again, yung domain name is your house. So, kailangan natin bilhin yan, guys. Kasi pag hindi mo bilhin yan, guys, instead na dapat ko siya, na website ko siya, pero hindi mahing akin kasi nga may nakabili na iba. So, example, maggagawa ka ng website ngayon na virtual assistant service. virtual. So, dapat mong bilhin yung virtualassistantservice.com tsaka yung hosting niya. Kasi pag hindi mo bibilin yan, merong tao na bibili yan tapos hindi mo na siya makukuha. Okay? Yan ang number 2, buy a web hosting service. And of course, yung ikatatlo, in order for us the website na to set up is we need to install the WordPress one-click install. But this time, itong WordPress one-click install is hindi mo na kailangan bilhin. No? Free na to siya. Again, one-click install lang. Once magkaroon ka ng domain name, magkaroon ka ng website hosting service, yung WordPress na installation nito is free lang guys. Isang click lang, ma-install mo na yung WordPress sa website mo. Okay? So ito yung 3 steps, no? Buy a domain name, buy a web hosting service, and install a WordPress one-click and install. Alright? Maganda the video today, ituturo ko sa you guys kung ano ba talaga ang dapat natin gawin, how to create a WordPress website. Ito na yung the application guys. Medyo mahirap, pero if you're going to follow through sa mga videos ko, madali mo lang din itong maintindihan. So yeah, ito na guys. Okay? All we have to do is we need to go to Google. No, ito yung Google site natin. Then, itype lang natin dito yung HostGator. Okay guys, itype na natin dito sa Google itong HostGator. So, ito yung result na makikita natin as of the moment. May nakalagay ito ad, meaning ito yung Google ad advertisement to guys. So, we need to click this one kasi may promo to. Usually yung mga ad na ginamit ng HostGator. So, ito yung i-click natin guys, web hosting plus free domain. Okay? Again guys, ang HostGator, ito yung web hosting service. No? Ito yung land or lupa. And dito rin tayo makabili ng domain. Actually, hindi natin kailangan bilihin ng domain dito kasi free to na ibibigay ng web hosting natin, no, which is yung HostGator. So, free ang domain natin for 1 year and then after 1 year, mababayad tayo per month dito. Okay? So, sabi to, web hosting plus free domain. Get free domain with hosting plans. Hurry, offer is limited period. So, click natin yan guys. Boom. Okay, once na-click dito guys, we will be given 3 options. Now, ito yung 3 options na ilalatag sa atin. Number 1 is an hatchling plan which is now 60% off. And the recommended nila is baby plan which is now 65% off. And your business plan, okay? So, ano ba yung pipili natin? It really depends on you guys, okay? Dito, mas mura kasi $2.75 and if you're going to compute that one sa ating calculator, $2.75. Usually ako pag nag-compute ako ng dollars is I automatically charge like multiply it by 50 pesos so that hindi na ako kailangan mag-round off. So, you'll pay at least $2.75 times 50 pesos. That is 137 per month, no? Times 12 yun siya guys. So that mababayaran mo is 1,650, okay? But anyway guys, the bad thing about this is single website lang yung pwede mong gawin, okay? Kasi yung hosting plan kasi, mag-cater yun ng unlimited websites. Okay? Kaya na to, yung baby plan, unlimited website. Meaning sa single website, meron kang domain name, meron kang hosting plan, pero yung website mo is isang bahay lang ang pwede lang may tayo dun sa lupa. Okay? Yan ang explanation dyan. But with the baby plan, unlimited websites nakalagay. Meaning guys, yung lupa mo is unlimited na bahay ang pwede niya patayuan. Yun na the best na explanation niya para madali tayo matututo. Okay? Yan. So yan ang kaiba. And we got a one-click WordPress installation. Yan ang sinabi ko earlier, di ba? As you can see there. And meron daw free WordPress cPanel website. Ito yung 1 TB which I'm going to explain later on. Unmetered bandwidth, SSL, and free domain included. So ito yung domain name na sinabi ko guys. Okay? Usually, when I started out, like, doing a WordPress website, usually ito yung pinili ko kasi, yun nga, on a budget tayo. Kasi yung $3.5, that is $3.5 times 50 pesos, babayaran mo is 175 pesos per month, pero hindi ka pwede magbabayad ng 1 month yan kasi mahal. So, kailangan ka magbayad ng at least like a year. So, para mas makamura ka. Pero, for the purpose of this presentation, i-click ko tong the second one, okay? Click natin ng buy now. Boom. Okay guys, so ito na yung domain name, no? Kasi papiliin ka kung ano ba yung domain name na gusto mong ipangalan sa website. Today, bibili tayo ng domain name. So, yun, di ba? Domain name, again guys, is the name of your website. So, video na to is about that. As you can see, tinype ko to dito, and sabi dito, enter your domain name. And then, nagtaya ko na Google. So, obviously, hindi siya available. May nagmamay-ari na yan is using Google. I'm really planning to make a website doon sa aking anyway, I'm given an option to like, pwede siyang that site, that store, that website, that tech, that host, that net, that org, that co, that me. Pero ito yung pinaka most common yung .com. So, as you can see guys, may nakalagay ito free siya. So, meaning, hindi ako magbabayad ng domain name ngayon kasi annual siya, no? Free siya for 1 year. Ito yung offer na HostGator, yung ating hosting plan. So, free siya. So, ngayon, ang plano ko, which is bibili na rin ngayon, okay? So, if may bago na kayong, may domain name na rin kayo, pwede niyong ilagay to already own this domain. Pero since we are talking about the new registration dun sa domain natin, domain name, we can click this one, okay? As you can see, meron din .club.net pero $12 per year. Okay, then baba tayo guys, baba tayo. Add domain. Dito, domain privacy protection. HostGator let help you identify online privacy. Actually, add on to siya. Dapat bayaran siya ng $14.95 per year. Pero we can always uncheck that one para hindi siya ma-add dun sa ating cart. Okay? Dito sa choose a hosting plan. Ito na yung hosting plan. So, dito sa taas is yung domain name na bibili natin. Pero dito sa hosting plan is hindi siya free. Naalala niyo na ba dun sa previous video natin may hatchling? May baby. Yung hatchling guys is single website lang pwede lagay. Pero yung baby, okay? Baby tayo. It's baby tayo. Pero $3.5 per month you guys with 64.80% off. Mag-renew yung plan 2024 because 36 months to guys, okay? Pwede ka makabili ng yung hosting plan ng for 1 month lang. Pwede mo siya 1 month na gamitin. So, $11.95 times 50 pesos, that is 597. You can use your website for 1 month. Or, gusto mo 3 months, gusto mo 6 months. As you can see, the more na months na gusto mo i-avail, the more na mumura yung presyo niya. Hindi ko rin gusto na like mag-avail ng 36 months kasi medyo mahal. 36 months, $3.5. $3.5 times 50. That is 175 pesos per month times 36 months. That is 6,300 yung babayaran ko ngayon. Hindi ko naman yan ma-afford kasi medyo mahal. Okay? So, I'll just click here sa 12 months, okay? 12 months at $5 per month. May discount din tayo na 58.16% off. So, 12 months, $5 times 50 pesos, that is 250 pesos per month yung babayaran ko sa hosting plan. Times 12, ang babayaran ko ngayon is 3,000 pesos. Naku, ang mahal din. Pero anyway, kailangan din yan for the purpose of this presentation. Okay? So, next step, ito yung second step, yung hosting plan. Yan, binili na yan. So, the next one is create your HostGator account. Kailangan ka create ng HostGator account. Turo ko sa inyo guys kung paano ba tayo bibili ng hosting plan. Actually, sa previous video, naturo ko na kung paano ako bumili ng baby plan, which is 12 months at $5 per month. May nagkaroon tayo ng discount na 58.16%. Today, tuturo ko sa inyo guys kung paano ba tayo gagawa ng HostGator account. And at the same time, we can fill in this para maka-order na tayo guys, okay? Okay, so since already have a HostGator account, you can sign in here. Pero for the purpose of this presentation, actually may HostGator account ako. Pero yun nga, for the purpose of this presentation, I'm just gonna create another account, okay? Yeah, let's try to parang yung website visa. Pa yung email visa, di kaya in the email.com, boom, confirm email address, type na natin yan, email Drake, password of course, hindi ko siya pwedeng ipakita. Actually, iba yung password ng isang client ko. Security pin, pwede mo tong, actually, your security pin, you can select this. Your security pin identifies you as the owner of your account. If you call HostGator support, we'll confirm your pin after you log in. So, kailangan to guys, no? You can make your pin, whatever pin you like. Just try to remember it. For the purpose of this presentation, I'm just gonna name it like 1, 2, 3, 4, and boom. Of course, guys, ito na yun, guys. Yung payment information natin, guys. It's really important. That's why in the previous video, sinabi ko na it's important that to have your debit card or your credit card or your PayPal account. For the purpose of this presentation, I'm going to put in my GCash card, no? GCash card ang ilagay ko dito, guys. And obviously, for, privacy reason, hindi ko siya pwede i-record kasi nga, baka ma-hack ako ng information. Anyway, actually, mga boss, natapos ko na mag-fill up doon sa aking account, saka yung address and your email ko, my important information, yung payment information ko, nalagay ko na siya sa step 4. Today, we're going to talk about ito sa ating step 5, yung additional services. As you can see, may naka-check to dito na nakalagay, secure your website from site essentials, highly recommended. billed annually. So, babayaran ko agad $23.98. Dito may back up your hard work powered by Code Guard, $2 per month. Billed annually, meaning babayaran mo siya in 1 year time. Hindi ka pwede magbabayad $2 lang. Kasi pag $2 lang babayar ba, which is really nice, syempre affordable siya. Pero, unfortunately, actually, pwede mo siyang uncheck to kasi nga, tataas yung bill mo once ma-click mo yan siya, guys. Okay? And sa baba, yeah, you need to make sure na wala ka ma-check dito, guys, kasi pag may ma-check ka dito is mag-a-add siya ng additional payment din sa pag-upon checkout mo, right? Alright, so going back here sa baba. Okay, so may nakalagay tayo na enter a coupon code. Automatic tayo bibigyan ni HostGator na Snappy na hindi ako naglagay dito, guys. So sila yung naggawa nito, guys. Wait, automatic na siya, automated. But anyway, validated na yung account niya. And nakaroon tayo ng discount about that. And ito yung total na babayaran natin. Alright? Free na yung 24/7 phone, live chat, email support. Free instant account activation that is free. Money back guarantee. Yung nalagay na domain name is yung talaga yung gusto mong domain name sa'yo or sa client mo. Kasi pag naman ito, guys, hindi mo na siya pwedeng ma-retrieve. Or I don't know about that, pero I think di talaga siya pwede ma-retrieve, guys. And yung baby na plan na sa hosting plan natin, which is 12 months, which is $5 per month, that is $60. $60. So subtotal niya is it should be $161, pero by discounted siya. So, nag-discount siya ng $1, pero yung amount na ibibili ko ngayon is $60. So, times 50, 3,000 po yung mababawa sa ating ngayon, guys. Okay? And then after that, we need to click here and then you click on checkout. So, after this video, guys, i-click ko itong checkout and mag-proceed tayo sa next step na gagawin natin. Sa ating website, guys, today, nandito tayo sa ating dashboard ng HostGator. Again, guys, this is the dashboard of the HostGator. Ito yung pinakauna makikita mo right after na check out ka doon or makapagbayad ka doon sa PayPal. Actually, guys, hindi pala pwede yung GCash card. Dapat credit card or PayPal account lang yung pwede na gagamitin doon. So, actually, ang inuna ko na nag-sign up is nagbayad ako through GCash pero hindi siya pumasok. That's why, ginamit ko na lang yung PayPal account ko and then pumasok yun. After na kapag payment ako doon, ito na kagad yung dashboard ko. Ito na kagad yung screen ko. Okay, guys? Again, guys, a quick recap na tapos na tayong bumili nating domain name, which is yung bahay ng ating website. The second one is natapos na tayo bumili ng hosting plan, which is yung lupa or yung land ng ating bahay, which is really important. And number 3 that we are going to do is we need to install our WordPress. One-click install dito sa ating HostGator and sa ating domain name. Diba? As you try to remember, makita natin yan sa previous videos natin. Okay? If nalilito kayo, just please dahan-dahanin niyo muna itong video para maintindihan niyo talaga, okay? Again, ito na yung dashboard natin, guys. As you can see, very clean, very nice looking talaga. And the next thing that we need to do is we need to click here sa ating marketplace, okay? Para makita natin, para ma-install natin yan ang ating WordPress, okay? Once we click the marketplace, let's go here sa baba and as you can see, may nakalagay ito, one-click installs, okay? Building your site should be simple. Quickly install WordPress, ito yung WordPress, and other helpful applications. Okay, let's click this one. Boom. And what you'll do is we are going directly sa ating quick install na program. So, ito na yun siya, guys. Quick install. Ayan. Okay, so, huwag lang kayong malito kasi ang dami talagang mga applications. In order for us to do that is we need to click here sa ating install WordPress, okay? Marami yung mga ibang apps na hindi sa atin kabisado, pero again, guys, ito yan, guys. Click na nito, install WordPress. Boom, click na yan. And then, yun. So, WordPress free option, using or install, you can do it yourself. What's WordPress? Install WordPress for free. So, WordPress is a web software you can use to create beautiful websites or blog. We like to say that WordPress is both free and priceless at the same time, okay? So, we need to click that one. After that, we need to click here, install WordPress. Boom. And of course, you will be given this information about that. So what we're going to do is, click lang dong ating domain name na bilhin natin earlier. Boom. And ang admin email natin, for now, wala tayong email. So ilagay natin yung email natin for just the purpose of this presentation. Kasi ito yung ginamit natin na email, guys. So, and you can click install WordPress. Okay, we're setting up your WordPress for you. Well, we work our magic. Why not take some upgrades too? Okay, so pwede kang maghanap kagad ng theme, but you can do it naman then later, okay? So, no thanks. I'm a web designer. Pwede mo siyang gawin yan. Okay, boom. And then the admin user has illegal characters. Illegal characters, please only use letters and numbers. Alright, so I think hindi siya pwede space. Posting. Alright, let's try that one. Boom. Install WordPress. There you have it. And then your install is running. So, yung doon, ang dali lang guys. Your install is complete. Click here to view your notification. Boom. And guys, this is really important guys. Kailangan mo itong kopyahin kasi this is the link kung saan mo siya mag-login. Saan ka mag-login sa WordPress po, okay? Username and password. What I'll be doing right now is I'm going to copy this. Copy ko yan. Yung password, ito yung password ko. Pero anyway, I'll gonna change that one later. Tapihin ko lang guys yung admin area. I'm gonna be teaching you guys kung paano ba tayo magkaroon ng access sa ating WordPress na account. Once makopy naman nyo to guys, it's really important. Kapihin nyo to and then i-click nyo lang tong admin area and it will automatically open. The password is kopyahin ko to guys. Boom, then copy. Then boom. Remind me, of course, remind me and then login. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so meron ko last pass ito guys. So I'm gonna add it one and dito sa aking Google Chrome, so just save it. Okay, please verify that administration email for this website is still correct. This was the correct? Why is it important? Kada mo sa email jake@gmail.com. This email may be different from your personal email, okay? This email is correct. Just click on that one. Boom. And there you have it, guys. Boom! As you can see, surprise, guys, yung dashboard natin sa ating WordPress na Pro or sa ating WordPress.org is just the same with our WordPress na .com. But I'm gonna be explaining to you, guys, kung ano bang dapat natin gawin once ma-open natin yung WordPress na website natin. Ito yung platform natin. As you can see, marami pa talagang app na hindi natin maintindihan. Pero in the next video, I'm gonna be sharing to you guys kung paano ba natin magamit itong WordPress na bago talaga. Okay, I'll be explaining this one here sa next video and paano ba natin ito ma-clean up. I-clean up natin first kasi medyo ang daming naka-details ito which is really, really parang overwhelming. Hindi natin maintindihan yan, okay? Let's clean this one up kasi medyo marami to guys. So this is your dashboard. The first thing that we need to do right now is we need to go to plugin. Okay, ang plugins guys is hindi siya makita natin sa wordpress.com. Ang plugins is makita lang siya sa ating wordpress.org. So, click ka na yan and click ka na yung installed plugins. And then once you're there, ang dami kasi. You need to click here lahat para lahat ng plugins. And then, i-click mo yung tong deactivate lahat. Boom, deactivate, and then click apply. So, what it'll do is i-deactivate na yung mga apps na nandito ngayon. So, as you can see, it's loading up. And then, once you're done, i-click mo again. Ito, lahat. Ito lahat ng square, and then i-click mo yung delete. Don't worry about this guys kasi we're going to install naman din later sa mga plugins kasi mayroon naman tayong list kung ano ba yung mga plugins na dapat i-install. Okay, then click on apply para ma-delete natin yung lahat na nandito. Kasi para, what it'll do is, yun, nag-delete na siya. Delete, boom, boom, delete, delete, delete. Okay? Once that's done, you need to, we try to go back sa dashboard natin, guys, yun, no, looking really, really clean na yung website natin. Okay?